Good morning. I couldn't sleep yesterday. I was just dreaming of my roof. Like I said in the previous video, they'll be starting roofing today. And I think in my head, I was just thinking that when I wake up, the wood would be laid and then everything will commence. It's weird. It's weird how I think sometimes, but that's what I was thinking about. And then it's about 11:40, and nothing is happening. I don't even have progress to show you. The fundi. Sorry. Oh, my hands are already tired. The fundi is still like prepping the wood, and I have nothing to show you, but I'm still going to the site to show you something. Let me show you. Well, that's better lighting than the lighting I had of myself. Anyway, like I was saying, I surprise myself sometimes with the way I think. I don't know why I thought that they're just going to place the wood and everything would be okay. We haven't even gone to look for the iron sheets we are using. But today is Friday. So yeah, today is Friday. So on tomorrow, that is Saturday, we are going to look for the roofing sheets. So I think I'll tag you along. I hope I'll be able to tag you along because my baby will be coming along. I should look for a back carrier for him because I can't continue doing that. But we Africans, we know how to invent things. I'm going to be using a lasso, and for my foreign viewers, a lasso is like a very large scarf. Yeah, I just called a lasso a scarf. So anyway, a lasso is like a very large scarf that can help me tie my baby on my back without using a baby carrier or anything you guys use. I know my Nigerian fans know what I'm talking about because I've seen you guys carry your babies on your back. Basically, I think every African understands. Every African watching this will understand. But my UK people, yes, I have fans in the UK. I have a few in the US. I also saw Netherlands. You guys, and I saw, woo, let me tell you, my Indian fans. But my Indian fans only come when I have like farming videos, which I really appreciate. I can see your taste, and this is the place to be because here you're going to get those farming videos and you're going to get everything good in life. So stay tuned. Anyway, I've been talking on and on, but basically this is the progress. They have to prep the wood to the measurements. So I can't move closer because then I'll be in their way and we can all see what they're doing. But basically this is what they've been doing since morning, and it's already almost 12. So it's kind of hectic. They have to measure and get the specific measurements they want and prep the wood before they like start moving it to the roof. Which will probably be happening tomorrow. But now the problem with that is because I don't think I'll be able to show you because tomorrow, like I said, we are going to look for some roofing sheets. Yeah. So So guys, it's been raining and it's still raining. Not a lot has gone on, but the chimney is done that will be the end of it. I guess now they'll just have to put a roof. There's a roof for a chimney, right? Yeah, there's always a roof for the chimney, and if they don't, then water, if it's raining, then water will come into the house and all the dirt. So yeah, but basically, okay, don't mind my voice. I don't know why I had to like take candy right now. So I have a piece of candy in my mouth, and yeah, that's why I'm talking like that. But this is the only thing they have done for the roofing. If you can see the green whatever, the green color, that is wood. So these are called running, apparently. Is it running or runners? Okay, he said running. It sounds weird, but that is it. I don't know if you can see or if I should show you from the inside of the house. But this is the only work that has happened, but this is because of the rain. It has been raining and stopping and raining and stopping. Okay, more like drizzling. Even right now it is drizzling. See, the ground is really wet. So let me see if I can show you anything from the inside to see whether you can see. Ati hebu ongea kwa Kiswahili nisikie.
Nilikuwa na mshow. Naona venye hii mawe hii nini imeingiana vizuri. Ina make sense sasa.
Nini ina make sense?
Hii dirisha.
Oh,
venye kolom hivi anaongeza kama
mawe hapo katikati. Oh.
But that means
Itayekwa moja.
mawe moja.
Makirigisi. Haya.
Oh.
Dirisha itakuwa yote mrefu.